What's up, traders? Welcome to our first video of the channel. And on this channel, we're going to be documenting our journey in Forex. So we're going to teach you guys how to trade the financial market. Forex will be a game changer and also be the destroyer. My name is Embark by name and I am 18 years old. And on this channel, we're going to be teaching you how to become a profitable trader and consistent process.
So you are 18, 16, 20s, your demand for money has increased. You're scrolling through the internet, finding ways to make money, finding strategies, finding methods to make money. You try many things, you try affiliate marketing, copywriting, whatever. You stumble upon videos, upon videos, upon videos. Yes, you come across influencers in Forex fronting you money and you see and you want to be like them. Trust me, it does not look as easy as it seems because the road is really a dark road, but as they say, there's always light at the end of the tunnel. So we are here to shorten that tunnel and bring all of us into the light. Welcome to FOREX-WOLF. My name is Embark. Yes, in this channel we'll be talking about Forex trading. Not really in a way to teach you guys, because I know most of you guys who will be coming across this video will likely know whatever Forex is all about, whatever is going on. But this channel will be like a boost, not only to bring you educational insights, but to bring you a process, a step-by-step and a journey which we all want you to be part of. Yes, because that's why we name the channel FOREX-WOLF Society, because the channel will not just be like an academy or a place just to get knowledge, but a place to attract experience, a place to get you into this world without you in it.
So if you have watched to this point, that means you value whatever you found in this video or you see potential value. First of all, I want to thank you for watching to this point of the video, because that will mean a lot to me and to my brother. As you must have noticed, yes, we are brothers and all we are looking for is greatness. So if you want to be part of the greatness we are seeking, then we'll gladly welcome you to our society because we will be very open to everyone. So this video is just an introduction to the very big piece of cake which will be arriving on this channel. This channel has a lot of greatness to release out, and we'll be glad if you hit that subscribe button and like the video, because more amazing content is on its way. So see you on the other side. Thanks for watching.